Micro excavator. Poco Poku Poco.
Mokumoku began building something. A Mokumoku trailer truck. It's usually me who's carrying others on my back, but on this day, I got to ride on the back of a Mokumoku trailer truck. Chapter 4. Riding on the Back. Poco Poku's feet, or rather my feet, are crawler belts. They're good for going over uneven surfaces, through muddy spots, and up and down steep hills. The trailer truck has tires for feet. They move faster than tracks, and the trailer truck can get around quickly using roads that cars drive on. The Mokumoku trailer truck I was riding on entered a wide road. Traveling for a while, we met another Mokumoku trailer truck. We drove along together with the truck. We continued down the road together. Finally, we arrived at a really wide open area at the top of a mountain. One after another, other Mokumoku trailer trucks arrived there too. I wondered what they were carrying. After Mokumoku brought me down from the Mokumoku trailer truck, he laid out a huge Mokumoku tarp on the open ground. Then, the Mokumoku trailer truck's cargo was placed neatly on the tarp. Mokumoku explained to me, "This is a dump truck factory. This factory builds big dump trucks that work in mines where raw materials such as iron ore, diamonds, and copper are produced. They are very big dump trucks, so they can't travel on roads like the ones cars drive on. That's why the dump trucks finished at the factory are broken down into smaller pieces, so they can be put on and transported by trailers that can travel on roads. Being broken down doesn't mean being destroyed. They get split up into different parts in a way that they can be put back together. After all the parts were laid out on the big Mokumoku tarp, it was finally time to assemble them. I took some of the smaller parts and joined in putting everything together. All done! It was so big! Sitting in the wide open area, the giant dump truck slowly raised its vessel and said, "Well, I'm off to carry a lot of stuff." Then it made a big circle and drove off. The dump trucks that work here are big. Really, really, really big. It was strong, wasn't it? So strong! It was so awesome! I helped put it together. There were so many parts, and the screws were this big. It was so cool! After making Mokumoku listen to me go on and on for a while, I took one scoop of dirt from the ground and then got on the back of the Mokumoku trailer truck. One after another, the Mokumoku trailer trucks left. On the way back, I asked Mokumoku over and over again, "I'm little, so I don't need to be taken apart to be moved around, right?" The Mokumoku trailer truck I was riding on headed back home. Chapter 4. Riding on the Back. The end. The dump truck I met today. Driver's seat. The driver gets in here to move the dump truck. Tires. It runs on big tires. I have crawler belts for feet. Vessel. Cargo goes into the big vessel on its back. It was so big. It was around the size of my house. It was a really fun day. Poco Poku.